Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 16, Triangles.
Students, think about three line segments like this and try to form a closed figure using these line segments. How can we do? Let's try. First we adjust this line segment like this and place these two line segments like this. That's it. So what you observe? We have a closed figure which we have formed using these three line segments. And what is this? Yes, this is a triangle. In this figure, you will see 3 points which are called the vertices or corner. Let's name them A, B and C. So vertex is a point at which two line segments meet. Now, can you name these line segments? Yes, line segment AB, line segment BC and line segment CA. These line segments are called sides of the triangle. That means a triangle has three sides AB, BC and CA. They can also represent using small letter A, B and C. So what is the word triangle means? Tri means three and an angle is formed when two line segments meet, which means a triangle has three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. It is also called interior angles of a triangle. So what is triangle? A triangle is a closed geometrical figure which has three vertices, three sides and three angles. This triangle is called triangle ABC or triangle BCA or triangle CAB. But whenever possible, we should try to follow the alphabetical order. Instead of writing the word triangle every time, we use the symbol of a triangle. So a triangle is denoted by a Greek letter delta. Let's do one activity. You are given some triangles, name its vertices, sides and angles. And the first is triangle PQR. First, you have to identify its vertices. And vertices means corners. So the answer is P, Q and R. Then identify the sides and the answer is PQ, QR and RP. And the next is name its angles and the answer is angle P, angle Q and angle R. Remember, we should try to follow the alphabetical order. And the next is triangle ABC. First, name its vertices. Can you tell me what we have to write? Yes, A, B and C. Then write its sides and the answer is AB, BC and CA. Now write all the angles of triangle ABC. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is angle A, angle B and angle C. The third triangle is triangle XYZ. Can you guess? Pause the video and write all vertices, sides and angles of triangle XYZ and check. In first column, you have to write all three vertices X, Y and Z. In second column, you have to write all three sides and the sides are XY, YZ and ZX. And in third column, you have to write angle X, angle Y and angle Z. If all the answers are right, clap for ourselves. Let's do another activity. Count and write how many triangles are there in each figure. In first figure, can you guess what will be the answer? If your answer is 2, no, it's wrong. The right answer is 3. Let's count 1, 2 and 3. In second figure, can you count the correct number of triangles? Yes, the answer is 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In third figure, can you tell me how many triangles are there? Yes, the correct answer is 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fourth figure. Pause the video and count the number of triangles. If your answer is 6, then clap yourself. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5 and 6. Can you tell me how many triangles are there in this set? If you want to check your answer, watch my next video on triangles. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.